Let's learn about the cow family. This is a cow. The cow gives us milk. This is a calf. It's a baby cow. This is a bull. He is strong and helps in farming. This is an ox. It helps farmers pull heavy loads. This is a buffalo. It also gives milk. This is a bison. It lives in the wild. This is a yak. It lives in cold, snowy mountains. This is a zebu. It has a big hump on its back. All these animals are part of the cow family. Speech balloon. Let's say together, cow family. Don't forget to like thumbs up, share red heart, and subscribe bell for more fun videos.